moment. But we begin tonight with a decline in the biotech sector. The decline in that sector, its worst of the year, was fueled not by a failed drug trial, but by presidential hopeful Hillary Clinton. The NASDAQ Biotech Index fell about 4.5% after Clinton said in a tweet that as president, she'd crack down on what she sees as price gouging in the pharmaceutical industry. She promised more details tomorrow. Now, those comments were in response to a report in the New York Times of a 5,000% price increase virtually overnight in a 62-year-old specialty drug. Now, we've talked a lot about the high cost of breakthrough new drugs coming to market, but as Meg Terrell reports, older drugs aren't immune.
For a small company, it's making big waves for the drug industry. Turing Pharmaceuticals, a private company founded by a former hedge fund manager, is the target of outrage over the price of its drug, Daraprim. The medicine costs $13.50 a tablet before Turing acquired the drug from another company in August. Now it costs $750 a tablet. That's a 5,000% price increase overnight.
We were trying to keep our sort of a secret stash somewhere, but it's been hard for hospitals and for clinics to get access to the drug, and particularly because their budgets were simply not prepared for such an incredible price increase.
Dr. Carlos Del Rio treats patients with HIV/AIDS, who are among the groups that can find themselves in need of Daraprim. The drug treats a parasitic infection that can arise in patients with compromised immune systems. The HIV Medicine Association and Infectious Diseases Society of America wrote a letter to Turing this month, urging the company to revise the price, citing no justification for an increase of this size for a drug approved in 1953. Turing CEO Martin Shkreli says the price increase will enable development of a newer, better drug for the infection, and that Turing bought Daraprim with those plans in mind.
We definitely planned on raising the price, that's for sure. We paid a very, very large amount to buy an unprofitable medicine. We can't continue to lose money on the drug at that price.
The controversy ignited Monday morning when presidential candidate Hillary Clinton tweeted about the price increase, calling it an example of outrageous price gouging of specialty drugs and pledging to lay out her plan to take on the issue tomorrow. Drug company stocks sank, highlighting fears across the industry about pricing pressure. Bernstein analyst Ronnie Gal says folks are worried that Hillary Clinton, if elected, could give the U.S. government the ability to negotiate on drug prices. Gal says this could cut drug industry stock values by 20% across the industry. Other analysts disagree, like RBC's Michael Yee. He says that's unlikely.
Hillary obviously has a huge platform and someone who has been going after drug pricing for a decade. And this has been a very sensitive topic, and people think that obviously Hillary could have some clout here. I think the real question is what, if any, could actually be implemented or approved, given that there is a legislation process that has to go through Congress.
As for Turing, when asked if all the attention will lead to lowering the cost of Daraprim, the CEO had one word: no. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.